is Isaac Wild's American dragster. It's going to have Holley EFI fuel injection. We're going to give you a little bit of a rundown on base assembly, dropping the motor in, and then when Isaac gets here, we'll ask him why he chose the specs he did on his chassis. I'm here with Isaac Wild. He's picking up his 2024 American Race Cars dragster. You won this at the VIP Million. How did you know, or when did you know you were going to actually keep it?
I think on the way home, my neighbors were talking to me and they're like, "Oh, you got an American, you got to keep it. It's one of the best cars." And so then I was kind of like, "Well, you know what the heck? Let's build a dragster. It'll be fun."
Yeah. With a red, Illusion red powder coated chassis. Tell us about your paint job, your wrap. It's actually going to be a wrap. What kind of wrap you're going to do?
Yeah, we're planning to do an American flag wrap where it's going to be blue, and then we're going to incorporate that Illusion red into the red aspect of it, and it'd be red, white, and blue American flag.
Yeah. So it's equipped with a Mosier rear end housing, center section. It's got a Penske racing shock, a Bruzy transmissions, Hoosier tires, RC comp wheels, and then who actually built your motor? And tell us a little bit about the combination.
Yeah, so CNC Motorsports out of Brookings built the motor. It's a 1471 Hi-Helix blower, 540 cube. All the good internals, zoomies on it, of course, because a blower motor is a blower motor without zoomies.
Yep.
And then it's got a big and ugly with progressive throttle on it. The Holley EFI TPS sensors all incorporated in the big and ugly. So 16 injectors. Awesome. Really kind of a neat piece, I think.
Yeah. Cool. Well, we're excited. We appreciate you being very, very patient. You've been a great customer, waiting, and it's race ready, minus, a few fluids it needs in it, and just double checking everything. But what's your first race of the year, and what's your predicted ET?
Oh, man. We're trying to decide if we're going to take it to Vegas yet or not. I'm hoping to be 430s, ideally 420s in the 8th, but we'll see.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome. Well, good luck this season, Isaac.
Thank you.
So some custom features we did here in-house is that custom Pew tank for his motor specifically. We did a custom wheelie bar for that Mosier rear end housing. Our adjustable steering column is in it. And this thing is race ready. And once again, congratulations, Isaac Wild, your entire family. We're excited to see it go down the track.